They talk about us without knowing us. They judge what they see, not what we live. But this place raised us, and this home is worth protecting. They see the cracks, they point and stare. They never see the love still living there. They talk about dirt, they talk about pain, as if we don't feel the same shame. Some streets shine, some roads still cry, some dreams sleep under open skies. But this is home, both night and day. Not perfect, but we're finding our way. You can't love a house and leave it broken. You can't defend it with words unspoken. If we want respect from every land, we must first clean it with our hands. Before we blame the world outside, let's fix what we hide inside. Pride is not just what we say, it's how we live every day.
This is our home, this is our ground. What we protect will last around. If we want the world to see us right, we must be the change in plain sight. Not just stories of tears and pain, but strength that rises again and again. We clean it, we heal it, we stand tall. This home deserves our all. When the rains come hard, the rivers rise, homes wash away, hope fills the skies. Fire takes what we build with care. Hunger knocks when crops aren't there. They see the tragedy on the screen, they never stay to see what it means. How we rebuild with bare hands, how we rise without a plan. Disaster doesn't define our name, it tests our hearts, it feeds our flame. From loss we learn to stand again, turning suffering into strength.
Yeah, that's I see ya. Yeah, shiny. How be one and so need that soon so. Yeah, besi sunny how yeah. If you say in and feel
Wanangidana mune dole mukula dashi iden munjera kamu dunia zata girmamamu.
respect doesn't come from shouting loud, it comes from how we move as a crowd. If we want a better story told, we must write it brave and bold.
This is our home, this is our ground. What we protect will last around. If we want the world to see us right, we must be the change in plain sight. Not just stories of tears and pain, but strength that rises again and again. We clean it, we heal it, we stand tall. This home deserves our all. Lili kaya lechu, masili kine lihlanze kile. Masili lungisa, siyazi loni patina.
Hii ni nyumba yetu, tuilinde tuheshimu. Tusipoijenga sisi, nani atatujenga?
They call us broken before they listen. They count our scars, ignore our vision. They don't see teachers with empty pace, still shaping tomorrow every day. They don't see mothers standing strong, turning little into enough all along. They don't see joy still finding space in every smile, in every face. We are more than what they show, more than what outsiders know.
Ilewani, hejeka tojure, biya batunushi awafunwa walangula. Oh, this is our home, we protect it, we fix it, we rise. So when they speak, let truth reply. Not with anger, but with light. Clean streets, strong minds, open eyes. That's how a broken picture dies. From disaster, pain and rain, we rise wise and not ashamed. This is our home, hear our tone. We'll fix it, love it, make it known.
Not perfect,
Hey, sorry about it. And talk.
Yes, yeah, warrior. We are brand and by ya, but not right. Can't you be a
Yeah, but you know, take this.
Yelele, yelele, oh, oh, yo. Hey, hey, oh, yo. Yelele, oh, oh, yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo.